Court's decision comes less than a week before the start of the new legislative session.
And we talked to lawmakers on both sides of the aisle about this. Fox Carolina's Grace Runkle's live in studio with how they say the ruling will shape this year's agenda.
Well, we knew that abortion was going to be a huge topic of debate again this year, but lawmakers say they expect the debate to intensify. We sat down with Republican Senator Josh Kimbrell from Spartanburg, and he says the decision is, quote, a stunning example of judicial overreach. Kimbrell says the court made a decision that should have been left to elected officials, and now he says he'll be turning his focus to several upcoming judicial selections.
I think this now becomes a very dominant discussion, and rightfully so. I mean, look, again, I'm pro-life, but even beyond that, even if you're not, even if someone isn't, this is a separation of powers question now. So no longer is the debate just what do we do about abortion policy in South Carolina. It's what do we do about a Supreme Court that thinks they get to make the decisions, not the people's elected representatives. That's the new boundary. That's the new battle line.
On the other side, Democrat Minority Leader Representative Todd Rutherford says today's decision was a win, but he says it will reignite the abortion debate, shifting the focus away from issues he says are more important.
The fervor with which Republicans try and take away anything that women have in terms of their privacy, in terms of their freedom, is unmatched. And even when a court tells them that what they did was wrong, they are not going to stop. They're going to keep doing whatever they can to make sure that women are put in their place.
The court's decision puts the abortion ban back at 20 weeks for most cases here in South Carolina. And of course, we'll be watching next week as lawmakers begin the 125th legislative session to see if that changes. Tori.